you've got no energy. You want to boost your body.
3, 2, 1, 0.
You want to improve your health, maximize your life and your potential. Live forever. Well, almost. How, I hear you ask? Faster than a speeding KO leaf. More powerful than a bean fart.
Oh, gross.
Able to lead in smoothies with a single bound. Look, up in the sky. It's a bird. It's a plane. No, it's Superfood Man. Disguised as mild-mannered GT, fights a never-ending battle against fad diets, poor nutrition, and unhealthy lifestyle. With his faithful sidekicks, Superfoods, he will bring vitality, well-being, and amazingness to your life. What are superfoods? Foods that have health-promoting properties. They're low-cal, high nutrition, packed with minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants. It's Superfood Man to the rescue! They're claimed to have disease-fighting properties. Superfood Man! The top 10 superfoods are: number 10, kale. Number 9, butternut squash. 8, chia seeds. 7, broccoli. 6, salmon. 5, sweet potato. 4, oats. 3, chickpeas. 2, walnuts. And number 1 is blueberries. How can you add superfoods to your diet? For breakfast, porridge, chia pudding, lunch, hummus and fresh vegetables. Snacks, walnuts, almonds and pistachios. Dinner, teriyaki salmon with Hokkien noodle salad. Dessert, berries and yogurt. Or you can try a super smoothie with the lot. Oh dear. Some nutritional authorities say that superfoods is just a marketing term. But if you replace processed foods and sugar with the superfoods to improve your diet, you can join Superfood Man in the fight for good health, well-being, and long life. Superfood Man! Up, up and away! If you want to add a superfood to your diet with a great recipe, then you must watch this video now.